The Aussie versus US dollar is stretching to new session lows, and in the process, we're breaking below a key floor level that we developed last week and into this week. I'll talk about those technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. I'm going to look at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair, and there's a couple things that stick out for me off of this chart. First off, this dashed line represents the start of the new trading week. And what we can see in trading yesterday, that the high of the week on Monday's trade came right up to that 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. It also is near the 50% retracement of the move down from the July high to the July low. So those levels came in near the 0.6521 level. Finding resistance against that level pushed the price to the downside. The next move was a break below the 100 bar moving average. That's this blue line right here. And if you look at the high prices that we saw in trading here today, the high price came up to that 100 bar moving average, found willing sellers against it. So we found willing sellers against the 200 on Monday, found willing sellers against the 100 today on Tuesday. Also near that 100 bar moving average at 38.2% retracement, broken 38.2 of the same July move to the downside. So again, a retracement level and a moving average hold resistance, price pushes lower. Now we're seeing another break to the downside. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit more closer. And that level comes against the floor that we saw in trading last week and the floor that we saw in trading yesterday. That level both came in 1, 2, 3 separate lows near the 0.6481 level. Now earlier today the price did move below that level. It could not sustain the momentum, rotated back down up toward the 100 bar moving average before rotating to the downside. Now we are seeing a second break of this 0.6481 level. Is the second one the charm? Do we see increased momentum to the downside? If we do, then we're going to look toward the 100-day moving average down here at 0.64508. That happens to also correspond near the low prices that we saw not last week but the week before at 0.64494. So let's call it around the 50 level. That would be the next key target. That's the carrot at the end of the stick for sellers looking for increased momentum on the break of this 0.6481 level. So technical levels are taking the price of the Aussie versus US dollar to the downside. We'll see if that momentum can continue. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.